The road ahead. Every year, many young people get ready for a big step, learning to drive a car. For lots of them, it's a very important skill to learn. Before you even start the engine, there's a lot to learn. The road has its own language made of signs and signals. You need to know what to do when you want to change lanes, make a turn, or stop. There are rules for everything. And of course, you need to know your car. Where are the lights? How do you signal? What does this pedal do? It's like learning to play an instrument. When you first start, it can feel a little tricky. It takes time and practice to get good at it. You have to get used to how the car feels when you steer, speed up, and slow down. An empty parking lot is a great place to practice without any worries. Once you feel more comfortable, it's time to drive on a real road. But you still need to be very careful. It's always a good idea to have an experienced driver with you. Many people take lessons from professional instructors who can teach them how to be safe. After a lot of practice, you'll be ready for your driving test. This is when you show a driving expert that you can control the car well and follow all the rules. Even after you get your driver's license, remember that driving is a big responsibility. Always be careful and drive safely on the road ahead.